Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick video how you can do ab exercises without straining your neck. So let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to take a towel about this size and place it underneath your back. And you want the towel, the bottom of it, to be right about here across your rib cage, kind of down towards the base. So right about here is good. And then you're going to reach back and grab the corners of the towel. So what you'll do is you'll curl into your ab exercise here, curl forward, but you're going to have your head hammocking in the towel. So you lift up like this, and then you kind of just let your head rest back into the towel. And you'll actually feel those neck extensor muscles relax when you do that. And it'll put a lot more emphasis on the abdominals. And so you can kind of inch your way up a little bit, coming up and forward just a tiny bit more. Start to feel a little bit of a shake. As you come up just a little bit higher, every time, just kind of reset, check in with the neck, just kind of let the head hammock into the towel. And your arms are going to work a little bit because they're holding yourself up here with the towel, but all of the work is going to be translated more into the abdominals and less into the neck. So an ab exercise like this, you would have, again, holding the towel with the corners of it kind of up sort of, well, above your ears here. And you're going to exhale and come up and forward. And then inhale, rest down. And then exhale, up and forward. Inhale, rest down. So right now, I'm not really feeling my neck at all as I'm doing this. And I'm really feeling some good activation in my abdominals. And as we know in Pilates, we want to keep what we call that neutral spine. So we want to make sure that there is a little, almost just a little tiny sway in the lower back. And that is because we're training our body to really engage in the core and support our body as if we're in a standing position. So as we're straight up and down standing, right, we have a little natural curve in our lower back. And that neutral spine really will help to keep everything lined up properly. And also it will help you to avoid pooching up the stomach. So a lot of times what will happen is if you do an ab crunch like that, which is common, we crunch and we're kind of almost extending the abdominals the opposite direction of what we want. So you want to make sure that you really keep that neutral spine and think of more the upper chest coming forward. And then you can physically see the hips just relax, they're level, and then the chest comes up a little bit higher. I promise you that you'll have to do less abdominals and you'll feel it more when you do this. So next up, I'm going to show you just a level 2 version of this. So a level 2 version, you would take your legs up into a tabletop and continue doing the same thing. So you're going to exhale, coming up and forward, and then inhale, rest down. Exhale, up and forward. Remember, relaxing the head into that towel, lifting the chest even more, and then resting down. And again, exhale, coming up and forward, resting the head in the towel, and then relax back down. We can take that one step further. So this would be level 3, maybe. We're going to take the legs back up into tabletop, and then we're going to come up and forward into our ab curl. And then you're going to alternate the legs right and left. So now we're doing that single leg reach as we alternate. And I am really feeling this in my abdominals and not really at all in my neck. My arms have to work a little bit too, but that's okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then rest all the way down there. Relax, just hug those knees in towards your chest and rest. This is basically like a hand towel size, placing that behind your back and then lie down on top of it in order to do your ab curl So you're just resting back down. You just want to make sure that the towel is underneath by the rib cage, of course, again, and then the fingertips here as you come up and forward, and hammock the head into the towel, really focusing on the upper body there. I'd like to hear from you. Comment and let me know if you give this little towel trick a try and if it will help you with your abdominal exercises so that you're not straining your neck and putting a lot more emphasis on your core and not being distracted by that neck. So definitely let me know in the comments if you give this trick a try and how it works for you. So that is my tip for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, of course, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. I'll catch you next time.